Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do something a little bit different than my regular digital stuff, because I've been really inspired by Roxy Creations, aka Rachel, to create some junk journals to go back into the paper now that I'm not really going anywhere, and I don't really need my digital stuff that much. I still love it, I still use it to plan, etc, etc. But when it comes to play with all of this stuff, it's been a while, and she's gonna be doing a little challenge every week, and this week was creating tags with old book pages. Now this is the only thing that I can cut. I am a book lover, I am a huge reader, I have a Booktube channel as well, so I don't have the guts to cut up book pages except for these, which is a legal kind of I don't even know what this is. It's for law school. It's a textbook for law school, and that's the only thing that I can actually manage myself to do it with. But I don't want people to get discouraged if you don't have beautiful old book pages like she does. You can go into AliExpress, which is where I got these little pages. It's just like music paper. They're fake. They're not the best quality. These ones are better, but I'm gonna use these ones. This one, this is for the base, so I'm gonna cover that up because I don't like law, obviously, and I don't want to see that. And then I also have an old atlas. It is really big, so it won't fit, but it's just an old world atlas, and I think it's so beautiful, so I definitely want to use it. This is the only kind of thing that I would actually got, and I got this second hand for really cheap. So and I love looking at the pretty at the pretty maps and just like the ocean and things. There's not like, these ones are so pretty, so I'm gonna use, these are my favorite ones. So I'm gonna use some of that. I'm gonna use the fake music paper, and that's what I'm gonna count as that, like all book pages, because where I live it's kind of hard to get those. So even these I could use. So I'm gonna create my tags, and I'm quite excited. So let's get started with this project. Okay, so I have the pages that I want to use. I'm not gonna create a lot of tags because these are just for me and for my own like little journal, and I don't do that much. So I have these 3 that I liked, and then a couple of these really pretty maps that I also really like. This is scrap from another project, and I just cut this little bit. So I'm gonna use those, and then we're gonna decorate. But I'm gonna do, like she said, I'm gonna do things batched together. So first of all, I quite like this page, so maybe I'll use it for the back of something. And then this one that has letters, I'm gonna start. Oh, I'm kind of nervous, I've never done this. Okay. This shall be fun. Okay, I've only made a couple of music sheets and a couple of maps, and that's it. I think I can get quite a bit of tags out of these, and like I said, I'm not going to be using them that much. So if I feel like I really love them, I could create more. Now, don't get discouraged if you don't have the pretty books like she had. You can get fake ones, or you can just buy ones. Use whatever it is that you have. Also, these are also from books, technically, so I hope this actually counts for the challenge. I don't know. And if you don't have the best equipment, don't get discouraged as well. Like I'm using, this is a toy compared to what she has, like the huge, almost like a guillotine kind of a thing. So don't get discouraged if you don't have those things. I'm just using these, and we're all just having fun, The thing is that she did really inspire me a lot, as well as with the decorations. I have some ideas. So I'm just gonna crop these. As you can see, they're not great, so I'm gonna cut them up, and then we'll be able to continue on with the decoration, which is so exciting. Okay, so this is what I've got. These are the 4 little things that I have. I really like them. Oh, these are so pretty. On the background, I'm just gonna use these boring packing paper because I can decorate it later, and most likely or not, I will probably put a photograph and then some washi tape depending on what I'm gonna use them for. So I'm just gonna leave them like free range at the back, and then we will crop them and decorate them on the front. So yeah, let's get to it. Showed you something. These are the ones that I've made. These are going to be pretty plain and simple. This is just, I put another sheet of that same book that was blank on the back, and then this is just that paper that I showed you. So pretty simple. But then the next one I want to collage. I have this. Oh, I love this. This is from a museum here in Mexico, and it's got some really beautiful look at that, illustrations. So I pull apart some of them, like these ones. This one I love, so I think I'm just gonna collage that on the back. Okay, so I have finished. I am really happy with these, and these are a lot for me. Like, I'm set for a while, so I have some bigger ones. I like these slim ones for my traveler's notebook. I have some really small ones for like little pockets, and I really like them. And then if you don't like, I don't mind these, that these are, turn around, but if you do, then obviously don't cut them like this, cut them like that, and that's it. I like these. This could be used either way, or also I could put a little washi tape and use them as a flip through, so I really like them. And then these ones, really simple, really pretty. Now it's time to decorate. Now, if you don't have a nice printer, and if your printer hates you like mine does, just use these kind of stickers. I got these at AliExpress. These are pretty much the same as that vellum that my printer won't cooperate with, but these are already made for you. These are really pretty. You can also buy. These are from Roxy Creations as well. The little doilies, I love those little stamps. And these ones are transparent, kind of, with the gold foil, and then just like some stamps and whatnot. So this is the stuff that I have always. So use what you already have. Don't go crazy if you don't have the ability to print stuff out. You don't have to, Oh, these are so cool. I'm very happy. So it's time to decorate. Let's see. I also have, obviously, a crazy amount of tags. Like these stickers and vintage labels that are super affordable. You can also use those. So let's just put those out there so that I remember to use them. Like she said, you can stamp, you can add what is that, fabric. I don't have any fabric. Also, you can use napkins. I have some that are like specifically for crafting, but you don't have to use those. Any napkins that you like that are pretty, you could use those and use some glue or Mod Podge to put them on there, and they will give that like transparent thing that she had always going on as well. So I'm gonna get started. Oh, I have so much stuff. Like, we all have so much stuff, so let's go ahead and use that, shall we? I am done with all of these. I don't know if I want to do some stitching around them, but I'll do those later on. I just thought I'll show you the end result. I used all of the stuff that I told you that I was going to use, and then I ended up fussy cutting some butterflies because they do look really, really gorgeous. So this one just has a butterfly right there, and I do really like that paper. I have some with some stickers, some washi tape that looks like lace, and there's that, another butterfly and like a sticker, more stickers. Just some of them are pretty simple, some of them I put a little bit more onto. These little doilies are from Rachel's store on Etsy, Roxy Creations. So look at that. I really, really like this one with all of the blues and the bird. Another one with a map, just very simple, a butterfly and a little label. This one is more like I just put some stamps from different places because, you know, it's a map. This huge one I just put again some stamps, and then this is just like a huge label on them. Just a couple of things in there, some coffee, and then I used this pretty paper that I showed you from this book, and I just went all around with that. And then like a little fake doily and like a sticker in there, and that's it. I'm really happy with them, and I think these will last me for a little while, and I just think that they're so pretty. And a lot of them are blank, so I can just write, scribble something, put a photo in there, you know, or stamp the date as well. So I'm very happy, and I am excited to continue on with the challenges because now I have these and I can just grab them whenever I want. You know, I don't need to be like stressing about them or making stuff, and hopefully I will get more of like a sense of my own style and just like play with them. I don't think that they're like as pretty and as good as Rachel's, but hopefully I will get there and I will make something that I really like. So yeah, thank you so much for watching if you watch all the way, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.